Hi, this is my 1999 Winnebago Adventurer, and I just wanted to show you real quick some ground battery terminals in case you were looking for them. So on the coach batteries and in the house battery, here if you look behind your batteries, there's some ground cables there. Mine were pretty rusted, so they're back there. And then I took the batteries out and I sanded this down and primed and painted that. So I'm going to put the marine batteries back in there. And I put a new Duralast battery for the starting motor. And I also took out the main TV. And hopefully, within this month, I'm going to go on a road trip. And hopefully I'm going to take you on this adventure. I took out the TV. And I just made some shelves. Put the first aid kit. And this is a pillowcase. So, doesn't look too bad. And then I put a TV mount here. So I'm going to put a TV there. And I have a TV there that the arm pulls out. So I'm going to show you how I fixed my slide out and my leveler system in the next video. So join me shortly. Thank you.